All right, guys, Krista here. So I thought I'm going to hop on here and fill you guys in on what all the fuss has been about. I know I've been putting out teasers about my partnership with Dean, Tony, and Russell, and the launch is actually happening on April 30th, the free training. So I'm going to start filling you guys in on what it's all about, and I want to make sure that you guys take action and you sign up to register. It's like 3 hours of your life that you're never going to get back. And I promise you there's something that you will get out of it that will, if it doesn't change your life, it'll change somebody else's, because you're going to be hearing golden nuggets all day long that are going to make light bulbs go off in your head, start making you think about, your life and where you're at, maybe your business and changes or whatever it is. So I promise you that. But first, I'm going to tell you guys what this is all about, okay? So basically, Tony and Dean have come up with what they're calling the KBB method. And it stands for the Knowledge Business Blueprint Method, okay? It is so amazing, you guys, okay? Is it just me, or do we all deep down, seriously, I want you to think about this question, okay? Do we all deep down crave the capability to generate new income while at the same time impacting the world, okay? I don't really know very many people who, if they actually answer this question, would be like, no, I don't want to make money and I don't want to make this world a better place, all right? So I'm just laughing because I can't believe how awesome this is, guys. So this actually is your chance to make that into a reality, okay? So for the first time in their careers, Tony Robbins, Russell Brunson, and Dean Graziosi are going live to reveal the KBB method, okay? And I'm gonna share a link with you guys that you can click on to go and make sure to reserve your spot. Or you can also go to my website, of course, krista&ed.com, and there's a spot there as well to go and register. But first of all, I'm so excited about it, and I had to share it with you guys. So for decades, guys, people, including myself, have been asking these guys, like, how are you doing this? They've been able to impact and change millions of people's lives. They become celebrities in their fields, and they establish themselves as the leading experts, okay? Generate billions of dollars in revenue, billions with a B, okay? Create legacies that will live on far longer than we ever could. And they all have done it starting with no college degree, guys, no money, and no experience, okay? I am also one of those people. I did not go to college. I did not go to university. I'm not knocking it by any means, but I just want the people to listen up who don't necessarily have that education, who feel like they cannot become whatever it is that their purpose is, because society has told you that without that education, you're nothing, okay? I want you to know and understand that right now. This training is for everybody, okay? Whether you're already an established expert or you're starting from scratch or complete rock bottom, okay? Tony, Dean, and Russell are finally sharing the KBB method so that anyone can do what they did to get where they are now when it comes to impact, influence, and income. All right, so I know you're saying, okay, Krista, oh, I'm going to see, oh, excuse me, sorry, guys. I don't really like to have scripts or anything, so I'm probably not going to edit that out, so sorry about that. So what is the KBB method? All right, guys, so over the past 100 years, this has been one of the most profitable ways to make a massive impact by getting paid for what you already know, okay, or even what someone else knows. So, but not everybody, people don't really talk about it very often, okay? So you don't have to be an expert or even have a specific skill set to start. That's exactly how Tony got started, with a little known secret that they are going to share live. Okay, so like I said, this is the first time in 75 plus years of their combined careers that Dean, Tony, and Russell are going to be teaching this, which means spots are going to fill up faster than they ever have before. obviously. So if you're ready for that next level of influence, impact, and income, when you can't afford, well, then you can't afford to miss out on this training. And I want you to trust me on this, okay? You're going to learn how to take advantage of the $129 billion a year industry the same way that they have. All right? You know, this is your chance, guys. This is your chance to learn how 3 people who started from nothing went on to generate billions of dollars. So the only thing you have to do is you just have to be there. You just have to show up, and I promise you, you won't regret it. If you do regret it, I will take all the hate mail that you want to send me, because I do not believe that there's anybody who's going to show up who is not going to get something out of this, okay? So you know what? I'm going to share my link, or go to my website, www.krista&ed.com. It's happening on April 30th. It's from 5 to 8 o'clock. Okay, so 3 hours of your life. Make sure if you do register, put it in your calendar, guys. Don't forget. Like, don't forget, please. I do not, you know, JV or partner with a lot of things. I don't put my word or my backing on things that are not important to me. I know myself, I have invested in, you know, online courses, in, you know, business coaches and mentors throughout the years. And I, you know, these guys, like, there's nobody better that I could possibly put in front of you guys. If you don't know who they are, fine, that's okay. You know me, you're watching this. Trust me, sign up, come and watch. You will thank me. I know you're going to thank me. But first, I'm going to thank you for even watching this and for even thinking about registering. And I honestly, like, I hope that I'm the person who helped impact your life just a little bit by putting this in front of you, so that you know about it, so that you can take part of this and be a part of history with the rest of us, with the rest of the world. I'm telling you, this is going to have a ripple effect. It's so amazing. I have been plugged into, you know, self-education for, gosh, 5 years, you know, since I left the corporate world, and I've been staying at home with my kids. My business and my life is so much further than it would have been had I not invested in, you know, the mentorships, or built relationships with people who had the knowledge, who could help me, you know, take the steps I needed to get to where I wanted to go quicker and faster. So this is my gift to all of you who are watching this, to help you do that. If you already have a business, this is going to help you. It's going to help you to add, you know, revenue and income. It's going to help you to to move the needle forward faster and quicker, with a whole bunch of, oh my gosh, I can't give it away. It's been so hard to keep it in. So I'm going to just, for now, I'm going to let these guys deliver what it's all about, because they truly are the masters. But I hope to see you there. I'm going to be there. Ed's going to be there. We will be there live. Tony is also giving away a ticket to Date with Destiny, which is his huge event that he does every year. It's a $5,000 ticket, VIP ticket giveaway, and that's US dollars. I'm in Canada, so in Canada, that's like $1 million or something, because our dollar is not that great. But you have to be on the live training while he does the giveaway to, you know, be the winner. So if anything, just show up, please. And I hope to see you there. Thank you so much for listening to me in your newsfeed again.